Guess who's back? Back again. Yep, clap for me, I know. Well, anyways, this is a new video. Bear with me. Remember, road to 1K subs, Hey, last time I told you how to make overnight oats. This is the microwave oats, whatever you call it. So first you're gonna need a bowl, milk, and your sachet of oats. Alright, let's open this bad boy up. Okay, what the heck, bro?
Disgusting!
I know, man. Well, you know what? That happens in life. Sometimes you gotta continue, even though you make mistakes. My bad. Now continue on. So your bowl should look like this with the oats. This is about 150 grams of oats. 200. Next, you're gonna pour in your milk. Okay. Oh my gosh. Alright. Now, I can explain here. The aircon was on in my house. Now, obviously, that's gonna do wonders, okay? But you know, like I said, that doesn't stop you from pouring it in. You know, all you need to do is just grab a towel and, you know, just wipe it up. Because that happens in life. Sometimes you go, sometimes no. You know what I mean? Then, gonna want to put it in the microwave for about 2 minutes. I don't know why that was so long. Come back in 2 minutes. Come on, I'll be back. Alright, so it's been 2 minutes. Now there's 5 seconds left. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, it's the end. Next, what you want to do is open that up and get the bowl. It could be a little hot, so make sure you wear your gloves. But here, ladies and gentlemen, that is it for your oats. I don't know if it looks right, but that's how you make microwave oats. Remember, y'all, subscribe. Road to 1K.
What more can I say? Man knows trigonometry, algebra, ergonometry, geography, and everything to end with tree.